Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about how to make your bathroom look more expensive. If you've ever asked yourself, how do I make my bathroom look more expensive? Then you've come to the right place. Today we bring you inspirational ideas to transform your bathroom from blah to bling without breaking the bank. When compared to your living space and bedroom, your bathroom can be the most expensive space to renovate and redecorate. After all, you don't need a professional to plumb in a sofa or a divan. That's why it's important to know how to bring that luxury look and feel to your space without having to gut and remodel it or exhaust your budget. Luckily, in my time as an interior designer, I've tried and tested a few tips and tricks. So, let's get started. Add stunning style effect stone tiles and panels to your bathroom. For an opulence at a fraction of the cost, opt for stone effect tiles and bathroom wall panels in material finishes like marble, slate and onyx. These delicately patterned products are a popular choice when looking for a luxurious, expensive bathroom look, and they are available in a vast range of beautiful textures and natural shades. More statement looking stone effect finishes offer visual interest and a sense of drama. Unique metal finishes is another way to make your bathroom look expensive. Tapware and accessories in brassy gold finishes are a trend that's here to stay. Brushed brass in particular is a warm metal that adds richness and texture. If you choose taps in an interesting, unique metal finish rather than the usual chrome, it will show that you've given careful consideration to the finer details in your bathroom, naturally giving it a more expensive and refined feel. Don't forget to add statement walls to your bathroom. Whether you're using beautifully patterned bathroom-friendly wallpaper or speedy and simple bathroom wall panels, making a statement with bold botanicals demonstrates design knowledge and bravery. These intricately designed products can be used to create luxurious looking zones for different areas of the bathroom, such as a large open shower area, and the colors can be tied in with other elements of your space to create a coherent interior. Adding a chair or statement stool in your bathroom will create an expensive feel. The most luxurious bathrooms contain a place to perch, whether it's for display or use. This can be in the shape of an ornately carved Scandinavian wishbone chair, a simple stool, or a high-end upholstered armchair. Raw wood, organic shapes, and soft materials contrast beautifully with rustic stone tiles. A chair or stool will give your bathroom a feeling of grandeur, making it the perfect item to add more looks to your bathroom. Displaying your best towels is sure to give your space a luxurious hotel feel. We suggest opting for some particularly plush, cozy towels in the shades that tie together other elements of the space. Use your stool or chair to place a neatly folded pile of towels on, or creatively prop them in a wide barred heating towel rail. Creating a minimalist space using simple whites undoubtedly creates a high-end look. There is beauty to be found in simplicity, so opt for natural materials in your bathroom products, soft furnishings and accessories such as stone and linen. Develop a clean, neutral palette and consider splurging on smaller details like your towels. This will make a world of difference. Freestanding bathtubs tend to have a more luxurious design. They truly create a zen space in which you can unwind. They're available in both contemporary and traditional styles. Contemporary freestanding tubs can often feel very sleek and minimal, whereas traditional freestanding tubs are completely timeless and can come in the range of rich and interesting colors with claw feet in chrome, antique bronze, white and gold. Walk-in showers gives the bathroom the ultimate luxurious look. They blend into the surrounding space with ease, giving it a more continuous feel. And if you opt for a minimal glass panel, it often gives the illusion of a larger room. This sense of grander space with a modern edge gives an upscale and lavish impression. Don't forget to add rich, opulent shades to your bathroom. Jewel-like tones come in a range of options including rich sangria red, royal blue, rainforest green and hawthorn rose to name a few. These deep shades create a feeling of opulence, and they can be paired with a varied range of carefully chosen products and accessories for a design-led space. Traditional products give an high-end luxurious look and feel. Traditional bathrooms never fail to stand the test of time. The ornate style and detailed designs of certain products offer a high-end and timeless sense of luxury. We suggest taking a look at high-level toilets, roll-up bathtubs and rustic wood vanity units for a vintage-inspired look. Alternatively, simply update your bathroom with some traditional style accessories rather than swapping out large products. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.